The southern tip of South America, a place where two mighty oceans collide. The Atlantic and the Pacific, each with their own unique currents and waves, meet in a dramatic and often violent embrace. The Traveling Kangaroo channel takes us on voyages of discovery, exploring the most remote and challenging parts of our planet. And today, we delve into why ships often bypass this treacherous route, opting for safer passages despite the longer journey. Towering above the land are the Andes Mountains, their snow-capped peaks a formidable barrier for seafarers. These mountains not only challenge those on land but also create unpredictable weather patterns that affect the seas below. The Drake Passage, a notorious stretch of water, lies between Cape Horn and Antarctica. It is one of the most dangerous sea passages in the world. Here, fierce winds and powerful currents create treacherous conditions for even the sturdiest vessels. The waves can reach heights of over 30 feet, making navigation extremely perilous. Cape Horn itself, a rocky headland, stands as a sentinel, marking the passage from the Atlantic to the Pacific. It is a symbol of the challenges faced by mariners. Navigating these waters is a testament to human resilience and maritime skill. The crews must be prepared for anything from sudden storms to rogue waves. The sheer power of nature in this region commands respect. The ocean here is both beautiful and deadly, a reminder of the planet's raw and untamed force. For centuries, sailors have approached these waters with a mixture of awe and apprehension. The stories of those who have braved these seas are legendary. The Southern Ocean's wrath has tested the limits of human endurance, leaving an indelible mark on maritime history. Each voyage through these waters is a chapter in the ongoing saga of man's relationship with the sea. History whispers tales of daring expeditions that dared to challenge the Southern Passage. These voyages were not just about discovery, but about survival and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, led the first circumnavigation of the globe, braving the treacherous straits that now bear his name. His journey was a testament to human endurance and the spirit of exploration. Sir Francis Drake, an English privateer, sailed these waters, encountering storms and hardships that forged his legend. His exploits were filled with tales of adventure and resilience. These voyages, etched in the annals of exploration, were fraught with danger. Navigators relied on rudimentary maps and the stars to guide them through uncharted territories. Many ships and countless lives were lost to the unforgiving elements. The sea, with its unpredictable nature, claimed many brave souls who ventured into its depths. The stories of these maritime pioneers remind us of the courage and determination required to explore our planet's most remote corners. Their bravery laid the foundation for future explorations and discoveries. Their endeavors paved the way for our understanding of the world's geography and the interconnectedness of our oceans. Today, we owe much of our knowledge to these early explorers who dared to venture into the unknown. Beyond the geographical hurdles, logistical challenges abound. Port facilities in this remote region are limited, making resupply and repairs a difficult endeavor. The cost of traversing such a challenging route is substantial, impacting fuel consumption and insurance premiums. The time required to navigate these waters adds to the complexity, affecting delivery schedules and overall efficiency. The economics of shipping demand efficiency and predictability. The Southern Passage, with its inherent risks and logistical constraints, poses significant challenges to modern maritime operations. Shipping companies must carefully weigh the costs and benefits of choosing this route, often opting for safer and more economical alternatives. Nature's untamed realm. The waters surrounding South America's southern tip are home to a delicate and diverse ecosystem. Whales, penguins, seals, and a myriad of seabirds thrive in these nutrient-rich waters. The impact of increased shipping traffic on this fragile environment is a growing concern. Noise pollution, potential oil spills, and the introduction of invasive species pose significant threats to the region's biodiversity. Protecting our planet's natural wonders is paramount. As we explore new frontiers and seek efficient trade routes, we must remain mindful of our impact on the environment. Sustainable shipping practices and international cooperation are essential to safeguarding these pristine waters for generations to come. The Panama Passage, a maritime marvel. Across the Isthmus of Panama lies an engineering marvel that has transformed maritime trade, the Panama Canal. This monumental project has reshaped the way goods are transported across the globe, making it a cornerstone of international shipping. This artificial waterway, completed in 1914, connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, offering a shorter and safer alternative to the treacherous Southern Passage. The canal's construction was a feat of engineering, overcoming numerous challenges and obstacles. Ships from around the world transit the canal, carrying goods and raw materials, facilitating global commerce. The canal handles a significant portion of the world's maritime traffic, making it a vital artery for trade. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome geographical barriers. Its sophisticated system of locks and channels is a marvel of modern engineering. Its construction revolutionized maritime trade, reducing travel times and costs, and fostering economic growth. The canal has significantly shortened the journey for ships, saving both time and fuel. The canal's impact on global trade is immeasurable, connecting distant markets and facilitating the exchange of goods and ideas. It continues to be a crucial link in the global supply chain, driving economic development worldwide. Charting a course through time and tide, the southern tip of South America remains a place of formidable beauty and untamed nature. While maritime technology has advanced, the challenges of navigating this region persist. The combination of geographical obstacles, historical context, logistical complexities, and environmental concerns has led to the development of alternative routes, with the Panama Canal emerging as the preferred passage for modern shipping. As we've learned from the Traveling Kangaroo, understanding the reasons behind maritime routes provides insights into geography, history, economics, and environmental science. The story of the Southern Passage is a reminder of the delicate balance between human ambition and the power of nature. Unveiling the wonders of the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal, a marvel of engineering, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect the world. Its impact on global trade and maritime history is profound. Join us on our next adventure as we delve deeper into the fascinating story of the Panama Canal, exploring its construction, operation, and significance in shaping the world we live in today. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more captivating journeys around the globe. Visit us at travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes glimpses of our adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.